ready to turn your video editing talent into a booming drop servicing business online. Today, we're building your professional, high-converting WordPress website to attract clients and showcase your video editing skills, all in under 90 seconds. First, choose your domain name €. Think something catchy and service-related then. Select a reliable WordPress hosting plan. WordPress.com is great for beginners. Or explore options like Bluehost or SiteGround for more control. Once installed, head to Appearance and Themes. Look for a clean, modern theme €. Something visually appealing that can handle images and video previews. Astra or Ocean WP are excellent, free choices with lots of customization. Now, let's build your crucial services page. Click Pages, then add new title it our video editing services. Here, use text blocks to detail each service, say, social media videos, YouTube intros, or corporate explainer videos. Use clear, benefit-driven language. Add compelling image blocks to visually represent each service. €. Think before and after examples or mock-ups of stunning video outputs. Next, create a portfolio page. This is where your best work shines. You can embed videos directly from YouTube or Vimeo, or use gallery blocks to showcase stills from your projects. For client inquiries, a contact use page is essential. You'll want to add a contact form. Many themes include this. Or you can easily install a free plugin like WP Forms or Contact Forms 7. Keep the forms simple: name, email, and a message box. This makes it easy for potential clients to reach out. Customize your site's look. Go to Appearance and customize, adjust colors, fonts, and add your logo for a professional touch that screams quality. And there you have it. A professional, client-attracting WordPress website ready to launch your drop servicing video editing business. You've just built the foundation for turning your skills into a thriving online venture.